They help you have as many fruit as possible. From the main branches is where you create the spurs. You start creating the spurs when your tree is mature enough.
There are more than 5 varieties of apples that are spur bearers in Kenya, apart from the Gala, Gravenstein and Golden Delicious variety of apples that are tip bearers.
Yeah.
Spurs are short, stubby growths that hold clusters of buds, allowing for compact growth and heavy yields.
Spurs are very key in apple farming, more so the varieties now that we have mostly in Kenya. Hannah, Brightburn, Crisp Red, Pink Lady, Granny Smith, majority of the spurs, except an apple variety known as Gala, which is just from from the shoot, the tip. It is a tip bearer. Okay, so what you need to know about spurs is that you need to have the main branches of the tree, and now from the main branches is where you create the spurs. You don't create the spurs from the central leader or from other branches of the tree. So you take the main branches, the shoots that are coming from the main branches is where you create the spurs. And spurs should be created from the main branches, which you should check for between 10 to 15 feet, not feet, sorry, 15 inches, between 10 to 15 inches. That is where you want your spurs to come. So you can have as many spurs as possible because you want as many fruit as possible in any specific tree. So
there is a difference between spurs and buds. Spurs are like mini branches with very short internodes, while buds contain leaf and flower buds, usually producing 5 to 8 flowers, leading to a cluster of apples and leaves.
Essence of the spurs is that they help you have as many fruit as possible. So the main basic reason for you to have spurs is just to have as many fruits as possible. So this is the main branch. Okay? Yes. This is the main branch. Unaona imetoka huku chini inakuja hivi. Yes. So this is the main branch. So in this main branch, when you allow these shoots, hizi zote zikiwa mingi hivi, it will never form for you quality fruits. So what you need to do is to reduce this. Tumesema you reduce them to 15 centimeters, 10 to 15 centimeters. So you reduce all of these spurs to this height. Hata kakiwa kadogo. So when you reduce this way, even you don't have challenge also to do with what do we call this thing? There's a lot of inaitwa aje hii kitu inafanya miti ipatwe na mgonjwa. There's no shade. There's not a lot of shade because the trees, the branches are very small. The spurs that you created is very small. So in this spur like this one, you will take here you will get some fruits. Here you will get some fruits. Here you will get some fruit. But the fruits that you are going to allow for the first season is like one fruit here, one fruit here, one fruit here, one fruit here. But as the tree inasema kukomaa kwa kizungu, the tree continue to mature, you do what? You continue increasing the production of the spurs. So you allow this fruit, and when it's more mature, you allow 2 to 3 fruits in every stem, in every spur, so that you can get as maximum production. That one. So this is the main branch. The main branch should go only 1 meter. And then you allow as many spurs as possible between the branches.
A single spur can remain productive for 8 to 12 years, but the tree continuously forms new ones.
You start creating the spurs when your tree is mature enough. It can be mature in 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 1 year, 2 years. So according to how the length of your tree, how maturity period is growing.